Little nifties from the 50s, innocent and sweet. Sexy ladies from the 80s who are indiscreet.
We do not forecast, we do not foretell. We are anomalous. We are leisure. Anomalous applauds the Plywood Panel Boy of Westfield for initiating yet another battle in the war against that evil pagan holiday known colloquially as Christmas. By rebranding himself away from his former persona as Trump Banner Boy, the ruler of Flag Farm of Westfield, our favorite local maggot messenger has proved that selling a product under the guise of a pseudo-holy celebration not only pays, but garners anti-civic kudos for defying local municipal authorities. Never mind that the product here is a bombastic pedophile and convicted felon. When informed that his seasonal display is in reality a raw maggot partisan propaganda piece, he loudly asked, "Why is everybody always picking on me?" Undeterred, our boy rightly started whining about being singled out simply because of his cheap plywood panels lacked any reference whatsoever to said holiday. Instead, he has a heartfelt panel espousing MAGA, another with the number 47, and yet another with the letters CK flanked by the outline of a lowercase t. Supporters on Buttbook claimed that CK was for Kris Kringle, and not the dead misogynistic prophet Charlie James Kirk, so named by his parents' love for the woke science fiction TV show featuring Captain James Kirk. Admittedly, the lowercase t could be mistaken for a Christian cross, but Plywood Panel Boy's known positions and extreme starboard-tacking past actions dispel that theory. So like the stable of Barbies performing all manner of duties, from zip-tying brown children to using lawfare against political informants, the lowercase t reveals the true faith behind maggot Lord and Savior, this country's first lowercase president, Buzz Windrip. The cheap lights stapled to unfinished plywood panels instead impart a feeling of the whitest of white trash, layered with a heavy dose of fascism while promoting the new federally mandated cult of the tiny T. As a newly minted anti-Christmas warrior, he is proud of his heritage of corporate excess and the height of blatant incompetence displayed by all the other minions of Windrip. Sign ordinance? We got your sign ordinance right here.